Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip, to check out the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. This is going to be an extensive tour of the Bellagio. The Bellagio is owned by the Blackstone Group and operated by MGM Resorts International. It was conceived by casino owner Steve Wynn and was built on the former site of the Dunes Hotel and Casino. Wynn's company, Mirage Resorts, purchased the Dunes in 1992. Plans were announced in 1994 to replace it with the Beau Rivage, a French-themed resort. However, Wynn changed the project plans in 1995, instead theming it after the village of Bellagio near Lake Como, Italy. The Bellagio opened in October 1998 with 3,005 rooms in a 36-story tower. Built at a cost of $1.6 billion, it was the world's most expensive resort up to that point. A 33-story hotel tower with 928 rooms was opened in 2004. MGM owned the Bellagio until 2019 when it sold the resort to the Blackstone Group, as I earlier mentioned, for $4.25 billion. MGM continues to operate the property under a lease agreement. The Bellagio is located on 77 acres. It includes a 156,000 square foot casino and 3,933 rooms. The resort's signature attraction is the Fountains of Bellagio, a dancing water fountain synchronized to music. That'll probably show up somewhere in this video later. Oh, wait a minute. That was the show. Never mind. Some of the hotels here on the Las Vegas Strip are pushed back really far. They're set back from the Strip, and it's quite a walk to get from the Strip sidewalk to the front door of the hotel. Bellagio's not the only one. The Aria and Vidara are the same way, as well as Caesars, and to some extent the Venetian also. You know, I always thought I'd like to buy one of those little rickshaw pushy things that they have on the Atlantic City boardwalk and just push people from the Strip sidewalk to the fronts of the hotels they want to go to, back and forth all day. But I think I'd be exhausted after about an hour, and that wouldn't last too long. I need to talk to Elon Musk. He's investing in Las Vegas. Maybe he can make me a little Tesla rickshaw.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This place is simply stunning. You know, I always say I like the Palazzo and the Venetian as far as their suites are concerned. The hotels, however, are a little bit over the top. You know, once in a while you're in the mood for that, but the Bellagio is just simply elegance understated. The Bellagio has high-end shops and restaurants throughout the property, but if you enter through the north end of the property to the right of the fountains, if you're facing the building, you enter through this promenade, which is pretty much at the Strip's sidewalk, so you don't have to do that long walk outside. You get to do it inside and check out all the shops and restaurants on this promenade as you walk towards the casino. Who wants to hear a high-end designer shopping joke? Well, it's my channel, you're going to hear it anyway, so here it goes. A gorgeous woman goes to a doctor looking fantastic. Hair and makeup done by a professional, Gucci heels, Versace dress, Prada purse. She tells her doctor, "I've been stung by a nasty insect of some kind," she tells him, "but I'm ashamed to tell you where." The doctor says, "It's okay, I'm a good doctor. Our communication is privileged, I won't tell anyone." And then she says, "Okay, I was stung at Walmart." Okay, so I'm sorry, Chanel, but those shoes are ugly. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to be an extensive tour of the Bellagio. However, I'm not going to cover the room, the pools, or the conservatory because those are all covered in separate videos here on the New York channel. So if you're interested in seeing what a Bellagio room looks like, what their several or multi-pool complex looks like, or the conservatory. Actually, the conservatory has lots of videos here. They change every season, so I try to get as many as I can when I'm in town. Just check out all the other videos here on the New York channel. This is the Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge. It features an imaginative twist on traditional modern Japanese cuisine. Let's see how many restaurants I can get past without using the word twist. Here we have Le Cirque, a perennial AAA 5-Diamond Award winner. Le Cirque delivers exquisite French cuisine, and the word twist isn't in the description at all. Touché, Le Cirque. This is Lago, toward the bolder side of Italy, with innovative small plates from the Michelin-decorated chef Julian Serrano. Here we have the Mayfair Supper Club, an elegant restaurant featuring contemporary American cuisine. Here we have Jasmine, a gorgeous Chinese setting with a menu that puts Cantonese, Sichuan, and Hunan cuisine in the spotlight. It's also my favorite scent. My nose just loves the scent of jasmine. This is Noodles, contemporary dining featuring traditional noodle dishes from Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, China, and Vietnam. Here we have the sports book at the Bellagio. Le Cirque has a show here at the Bellagio called Oh, it's a water feature actually. And they also have an art gallery here as well as a store. Here we have the buffet at the Bellagio, and while the Bellagio is a premier property here on the Strip, the buffet not so much. There are better buffets here in town on the Las Vegas Strip. The video is available here on the New York channel. Hey you, are you enjoying this video? I'm hoping you are, and if you are, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? As I've always said, it does help the channel out, and quite frankly, it motivates me and gets me out of bed in the morning, and I always said the best way to start the day is getting out of bed, so why not subscribe? You know, I always wanted to visit the Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, and it's been there for several years now, and for several years I've made plans to go, but they've always fallen through for one reason or another, usually scheduling or the hours of the gallery, and chances are very good that I have a valid comp for this thing in my wallet at any point in time that I'm in the Bellagio, so it's a shame, but hopefully next visit I will definitely check it out and bring you guys a video if I'm allowed to videotape inside. The Paleo Cafe was closed on my last visit, and according to the website, it's no longer listed, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but it was a nice cafe. And of course, the beautiful conservatory here at the Bellagio has been covered many times on the New York channel. This is Siddell's Cafe. Savor the best brunch in Las Vegas. No matter what you're craving, Siddell's Cafe features all your favorites. At Michael Mina, Chef Michael Mina has crafted a menu focusing on refined coastal cuisine. Seafood to me and you. And here we have the Bellagio Spa and Salon. This is the Gardini store. I really like this store. It's a shame it's closed. Harvest is dedicated to sustainable and seasonal dining, which means, I guess, the menu's always changing. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.